How to fix if guided access not working in your iPhone. And to fix this issue, the first workaround is tap on settings. Here tap on accessibility and scroll down and tap on guided access and make sure that guided access is duly enabled on your iPhone. If not, simply turn the toggle guided access. Thereafter, go to password settings, set guided access passcode and set a passcode for your guided access. Re-enter your password and your check guided access working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, turn off guided access and restart your iPhone. Simply shut down and restart your iPhone. And again, go to same procedure, tap on settings, accessibility, guided access and turn this feature on again. And check your iPhone guided access definitely will work. Also enable this feature accessibility shortcut. That's all.